Managing vehicle insurance operations shouldn't feel like assembling a puzzle in the dark. That's why we built Curacel Auto, a smart, AI-powered platform helping insurers automate, inspect, and accelerate their motor insurance workflows. Curacel Auto is a comprehensive automation platform designed for insurers and motor accessors across Africa. From underwriting to inspections to post-accident claims, Curacel Auto transforms how you deliver auto insurance at scale.
With Curacel Auto, insurers can cut vehicle inspection time from days to minutes, detect fraud with smart, AI-powered image analysis, automate tedious documentation and validation tasks, offer remote experiences that delight customers and reduce operational costs. It means less paperwork, faster decisions, and happier customers. At policy inception, Curacel Auto enables AI-powered pre-loss vehicle inspections through a simple remote photo submissions. No need for on-site checks. When there's a claim, users can submit all required documents, photos, and reports digitally. Our intelligent platform keeps everyone informed in real time. Curacel Auto then uses AI to inspect the post-loss images, verify the claim against the original condition, and detect inconsistencies or fraud, saving you hours of manual review.
When they came with their product, with their AI, it made inspection seamless, So there's an accident, you just send a link to the client. The client does the pictures, the AI takes over, and you get reports in minutes.
You get instant insights, a clean audit trail, and fewer leakages. Ready to automate your auto insurance workflow with speed and intelligence? Let's drive the future together. Visit curacel.ai/auto to learn more, or email sales@curacel.ai.